and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Your English Gurus. Are you all bored of using the same old words that are there in your vocabulary? And you all are dying to replace those words with something more interesting? Are you all waiting to learn some new words? And are you all waiting to improve your English and fluency with a lot of new words? So tomorrow's video is just what you need to watch. I am going to talk about some dull words that we use in our everyday life, give you 2 new words for them and also teach you their application in tomorrow's video. For example, if I take the word smart, smart girl, smart uncle, smart dog, smart cat, smart TV, smart phone. How many times do you use this word smart in your daily life? Have you ever noticed that? Instead of smart, can't you say quick-witted or brainy? Like the word smart I just discussed, I am also going to give you a lot of new words tomorrow which you can use in your vocabulary. So be on time, be consistent, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our videos, and don't forget to drop your names, your class and the name of your school in the comment section to grab your goodies. Bye-bye.